Louie. Dun 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 dun. First of all, let's take a look around this place. Okay, looks pretty simple from here. We should now go up. Dun 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 dun. Aha! Seems that he's over there typing. Seems that if I go over here, I should be able to pounce on him. That should do the trick. Ha 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 ha. He is in my sights. Cannonball! You know, the whole point of having a sidekick is having him do some work and pace. Apparently my spyglasses fell off, but I think I'll be okay. What were you doing on the computer anyway? I was doing spy work as your sidekick. You know, the usual. Let me show you. See, it appears that if we do it at 0900 hours, we can be able to do certain things that we would not be able to do anymore. Okay, he's going psycho over there as of right now. No! Mommy! Yeah, you might want to turn the camera off. I shall do a sneak attack on Bluey. This blanket will serve as cover. What did you do? You're gonna give a man a heart attack when he's trying to sleep.